Okay, so I was at Lowe's the other day and saw this case, immediately saw this case, and I knew right away that this looked like a Pelican case. And it had tools in it, and it was like $31 and change. It was regularly $39, $40, and it was on sale for 31 something, okay? And here's what it was. 56 piece. And it came with all these tools you see here. And I thought right away, well, holy shit, this case alone is worth way more than $31. So I thought, well, let me buy one of them. I checked it out, and I just went back today and bought 3 more of them. Okay, and I'll tell you. Now, I checked on B&H's website today, and I actually called them. Okay, a Pelican 1400 case with foam, and that's how I buy my cases, with foam, in black, because they have different colors. Okay, as you can see, is $99.95. So I called B&H to verify that price. They said, yep, that's the price. I even saw that on Amazon. I think I saw a couple places cheaper, but be that as it may, I'm not sure if it was in the higher 50s that I saw it. In fact, here you'll see the Pelican case, $99. Here's one, $71, $60. And this is with a divider kit, so $60. Now that's from B&H, so that's not bad at all, but still $60. Okay, $99 for the foam. $49 for, that's a 1200. That's not a 14. So as you can see, the Pelican 1400 is on the left. The Lowe's Kobalt 56 piece tool, heavy duty tool set with impact resistant case, okay, and it's waterproof, shockproof, okay, waterproof and shockproof, okay. Here's the seal around the Pelican. Here's the seal around the Lowe's product. It's got the exact same everything, really. The only thing it doesn't have are the latches. It's got the older design latches here, okay, where this one has kind of like a dual latch. I don't call that a big issue at all. I bought this just for the damn case. I mean, it's a hell of a savings. Just for the case alone, I paid $31 and change or whatever just for the case. The bonus is I got tools with it. Okay, so here's the bottom of the Pelican. There's the bottom of the Lowe's. Same feet, a couple little things different here. Now I can't swear this is made by Pelican. And the other thing is the purge valve. This you actually open up. This one's got like some kind of an automatic. It says it's an automatic. Now I don't know if this is a copy. Really don't know. Last I knew, Pelican would actually put your name on a case if you were like a company. So I could see this being a Pelican, and all they did was just change the handle to suit the Lowe's blue. But if you look at everything else here, I mean, it's a damn dead ringer. I don't know. So as far as I'm concerned, it's every bit as good as this Pelican for a third of the price of the case, damn near. Anywhere from a third to half the price for just the case. So here's what you get. So not only do you get the case for what I think is well worth it just for the case, utility knife, pliers, needle nose pliers, end cuts, and an 8-inch adjustable wrench. And then there's more. Now you're getting a bit set, 16-foot Kobalt tape. What the hell is this? This is for the quarter-inch handle for these bits. And then you're getting a miniature tool, screwdriver. Let's see, you're getting this looks like this is a flat blade, and then you're getting 2 Phillips, and then you're getting a Phillips, flat blade, and a Phillips. So, I don't know. It's one hell of a deal. And I bought it strictly just for the case. And the benefit is all these extra damn tools. I mean, I feel like it's almost getting the tools for free. Now, something else I think is really cool is this is in the lid of the case. It's got 2 small pockets, and then it's got a space in the back here, elastic band, and it's got this pocket right here. So I mean, hell, I'm probably going to use this for some astronomy equipment or camera. I mean, it's like I said, it's really and screwed in here in 4 points. I don't know. Like I said, I just thought it was one hell of a deal here at Lowe's. I bought it just for the case. Got some free tools. Bought 3 of these, or bought a total of 4. I bought 1 Sunday, then went back today, bought 3 more. So I've got 4 of these cases for under $120. I forget with tax. So that's pretty damn good.